Hey guys, we bought this candy cottons blackout curtains for the living room, bedroom, or anywhere you want to use. So we bought it in a white color. So let me just open this up. So they comes in a pack of two. It's a normal packing, and this have this curtain rod space, so you can easily put in there. So it have like a stainless steel grommet. So it's a premium fabric from the top and the black inside, so that the light will not pass. And they are a little heavy and thick curtains. So sophisticated design or the style or the normal plain white color. So I put it in a curtain rod and you can see this fall really good. Have a nice fall with the stainless steel ground mat. It's easy to move the curtains. They looks nice as well, easy to clean. And then with the blackout liner, see like it is not passing any light. So it's good and working with the nice design, nice color, the plain color with the nice blackout thing on the back. So quality wise this is good, as you can see soft, and then the black from back. So nice curtains overall.